Katie.
What is it? Katie, what did you get? Oh, look
Look at
it.
that.
Oh my gosh, hold that up for the camera. Look how cute. Katie, look what you got. Isn't that pretty?
She likes clothes.
Yeah, she does. And there's little bloomer. Okay, is that the last one, Bill?
Yeah.
All right. Grandpa, can you open that one now?
Oh, please do.
Okay, go ahead, Bill. What is it? Let's see. Hey, doggy, get out of the way. Come on. Can you call the dogs?
Come on, out of here.
What is it?
Yes,
Oh, that's what you wanted,
Good
huh?
one this year, I think. Tonight.
Oh my goodness.
Just some batteries. There's some batteries.
Is that what you wanted?
The package, I think. What do you think?
You excited about that?
He's like half an hour in it.
Do you want to get that open? Maybe Grandpa can help you. Can you hand it to Grandpa? Come on, Jesse, out of the way there.
Yeah, look out.
Whoop.
Watch your bow, Katie Ray. Look, did you find the batteries? There's a little battery right at the top.
Two batteries right in the package, buddy.
You find him? Hold on, let's see. Oh my goodness. Stay there.
You got him?
It's over to Grandpa.
Hey, so you can play with it.
No problem. Look at this stuff.
Wow, look at that.
Payload.
Oh.
Hey,
Yeah.
Here, let's play with it. Can you get it off there, buddy?
You don't need the boxes. I mean, this
There
stuff
you
right
are.
here, so you can just get them all.
Yeah, maybe
Got
save
some batteries
just in case I need some.
somewhere. You get that.